I'ma pull up like school days, get in your head like Tuesday. I got the juice, I got the juice, I got the juice, no Kool-Aid. Oh yeah, I done go sick of my coupe. 1, 2, 3, I'ma come find you. Hands in the air like hallelujah. Diamonds on my new slugs. Get chicken, no rooster. I'm gassed up, no booster. And I'm dripping the red like Worcester. Oh yeah, money on the treadmill. We gon' run it up while people stand still.
Do you ever wonder who's the person behind the build? This is Richard, just your average guy that likes to work on his cars. He drives an Acura RSX and a Mazda 6. Richard has been working on his Mazda 6 for 4 years, and his RSX for about 1.5 years now. Sometimes you have to ask yourself, where do people get the money to put into their cars? For Richard, he helps run House of Lang, which is his family's restaurant. Some drive their cars just to get to work or the grocery store. But not Richard. For him, driving is an extraordinary experience. Cruising down the street with the boys, windows down, and that manual transmission is the way he rolls. He's the kind of guy that rides his tires into the ground, then he flips them to squeeze the life out of them. As you can see, he just flipped his front tires since that sweet camber only lets him get 6,000 miles out of them. The reason he builds his cars the way he does is because he likes to be different, but also for pure satisfaction and showing his creativity to the people around him. Using that wallet, plus some creative energy on an idea that turns into reality, helps make the build sweeter. Then that reality evolves and changes shape over time.